Cool.
Would you like me to adjust the temperature?
No.
There they are, about 20 miles west of here.
Get some choppers out there immediately.
What are you doing?
Can't I have a little privacy?
Do not know privacy.
Come aboard quickly, navigator.
We spotted him. The boys outside the ship.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Don't let them take off. My God, it changed shape. Can you follow it?
Follow it? I can't even see it.